Who name the party?
Tell your husband he can't come between us. I love you.
Squad. What's up, everybody? You don't know a boy Razablade, and I'm out here like all the time right now. I haven't seen my people in a while. And I want you all to know that I'm still here. We're gonna boogie down this year, trust me. For the younger kids who don't know what boogie mean, we are gonna Shelly place. Alright, so here we go now. I have a song drop. I want to check it out. The link I go there at the top of the comments. As I say, too long I don't post a video, I don't even know what I talk about. But here we go now. I know someone subscribe to me for videos, and nothing wrong with that. I know say the true supporter of them not gonna have no issue if you follow me on anything I do. Whether I want to play sports, music, or whatever. You see what I say? So the link I got there at the top of the description. Go over to my music channel. I kind of feel lonely as an artist right now. I don't give up on YouTube now or nothing, you know, but it just feel lonely because I guess some I don't see people and my song comments and say squad. Meanwhile, the two songs I post I get good reviews. People love the song them. But you have a few people who say, you know, a little bit raw so and so, you know so it go, who kind of make music for you know. When me tell you know me go already. If me I do something, I do it good and done. Yes, me can write some cleaner words, verses and verses, whatever. But at the same time, that means that all the time I go do it. So I'm not gonna promise somebody say I go hear me as an artist when I think them clean like my white shirt. No. If me I do the music, me I try to satisfy people who love music. Somebody just ask the people them where watch me for years. And always I support my dream them. Support the music dream. I go over there, let me know say you come from the vlog channel and you go support and show the thing love. Just drop some squad. Because I don't see nobody drop a squad. I'm not sure. Because normally I get a lot of squads for anything else I do, so people support the music. Now, let's get back to regular programming. I feel like I'm in a goat mode. So today, I have an idea. You know where I go? I go somewhere and write a letter. Print a letter, put in a little envelope and put on a little card in there. And give me sister and say I want our supporters them send it. I get the idea for the whole Valentine's thing. So basically, I go write a letter and send to my sister, but she's not going to say me write it. But I go make the thing sound like I want our ex or love her same way. Because I want to catch Lucy's reaction and I want to catch my sister's reaction. You see what I say? So, you know the video got epic because you're going to hear me right tonight. I'm not going to make you hear it until I'm going to make my sister read it on camera. Because I'm going to say your supporter want to talk to her and they want to see your reaction and re. So, ladies and gentlemen, with all pleasure in my heart right now. Oh my God, I miss saying this. It's showtime! People, I go buy one card for her. And what me I say, if I go do your prank, I can't go use the card because she go pick up same time. So I go just buy an envelope and do it. So you see what I say? Oh, yeah, there, man. I have all our school outside. No, hear the prank. Tell me if you talk about Zine. So basically, I go prank my sister and her husband. I go write the letter already. I go print it and put it in an envelope and tell my sister say, yo, one of your biggest fans, because they up on YouTube, you know, one of your biggest fans, them send you and say they want you read it. Panic camera because them they abroad. But I write a letter like say when her ex say, yo, I still love you and really, and I can't help to see her again. So I want to catch her husband reaction when she read all the letter in front of you. You feel like it's hot?
Alright, yeah, that would have good.
You say hot? You know my channel? You need to know your Razablade tip. Yeah.
Razablade!
You have to get that. Load up it.
And if the man want to come in with man, afraid of people. And the man want to come in.
I mean, touch me for and see for me. I'm going to tell the man so. Take your time. So you think say that? Yeah. Alright, I'm going to print it. There? Big up on yourself here. Hey. Your sister the mask. I hide me good people. That's one. Hey, what go? Yeah, man, I am, man. Nice to meet you. Yo, I didn't miss to go link, you know. But me buy something and I say, well, I'm right in front of the pharmacy. Why am I not just pull that prank here? And nice of a place to see people in, because I know say a long time I don't get no video, you know? Yeah, me there, I'm a killer. Yeah, man, I send it to email. Yo, I love that song there, see, man. You know the song there? Yeah, yeah. See it, yeah? Alright.
Up here.
Yo, people, level to editor. What is man? Yo, but guess who no most want to see? Anime!
Nah, give him a laugh.
Give me a laugh, man.
Support our silently, sir, or whatever. Thank you.
Yeah.
Not sure what is in it, but thank you.
Just read it aloud. That's all them ask.
Alright, to Danique White. I have watched you grow into a beautiful woman. You are a super beam person. I see you with your daughter. She is so beautiful. She has your eyes. I just want you to know I miss you and can't wait to see you again. I know I've messed up in the past, but I'm willing to start over to build a better us.
What kind of letter is for Kyako? What person say? Where name the party?
Tell your husband he can't come between us. I love you.
What the backside is? Lovell,
Yeah,
let me see name on that. Copy.
see, they just said to Danny White. Oh, what person name?
No, Charles, he say name.
Charles.
You're not next name Charles.
I don't know nobody named Charles.
But who that we want to see you again?
What have you know?
What kind of see you want to see you again?
Tell your husband he can't come between us.
Oh, you that Addy.
A bun and milk. Hands in a milk.
Come Addy.
I know I messed up. Hear this up. I know I messed up in the past, but I'm willing to start over to build a better us.
Well, me not trust that letter you do.
Mr. Need for touchy. But me touchy already.
Come Addy.
Adi.
I want.
Charles, he say your name is Ogawa, Central.
Me not know that.
One brown youth and he nose big.
Me not deal with brown youth.
What? Me don't know that. Adi, you really have to look.
Addy, Anna. We can't go between mommy and Charles.
Oh!
Charles. I love you.
Let me see your person write this thing. Alright, they write your type in time. People can't believe this.
Something me don't know.
Jesus Christ, Nobel. You better about this, you know.
Me have a bunny. Or you can't back to your person.
After me, I must see them back.
Come
What you
Addy.
say?
I tell the person, I sit me a buy from the person because they sell product and I say, yo, they say, yo, give your sister this. I can read if your husband.
Mommy and Charles.
But all of the person who me ever deal with product.
But you say in brown and he used to go Central and he knows it
Me
big.
not talk to no brown you, Jason.
So you don't have an idea with that.
Mommy
No.
and Charles.
And he said no. And he said no. And he said no.
No, but you not laugh. I serious something this now.
Mommy and Charles. Addy and Mommy and Charles.
Do. Say no again, Hardy.
Uncle.
Hardy, right now, me ashamed of love you. Because which person this?
Would you say you could read this something before you can't come give me?
I mean, pull a letter for she say, yo, if you read it for your husband. Yeah, in person. What you would say for read it? One woman and the man did and he say really.
She.
One woman and the man did and the girl
And
said,
if a man and the woman did that, why would not give me this and you have a woman?
me never say a woman, you know. I say a man and a woman, me see there, so me keep and I say she, because I true she did having and the man did a deal with some
What
customer.
a man did will?
No, me meet the person that porous.
Nobody a porous.
Me don't know them neither.
So far you gone from we and me paying the
Me don't know nobody a porous, Lucy.
I mean, so then can't find you that poor.
Like, that's a this is not so serious.
No, me laugh.
It matter. I serious on this is
So, Lovell, we have a porous, so that
Me
more,
don't know
no?
nobody a porous.
Okay, about time find out how we are doing there.
Me don't know nobody a porous, Lucy. Me not even classmate no live a porous.
So I don't know.
First of all, this is somebody else sick in the
Yeah, yeah. Who name butter? Come on.
Virgin.
Lovell, you have some explaining.
That's a lie. The brown
See
you
one
they
I
went.
say see you with a
That the brown
KFC.
you they went see me with and my classmate at church, teachers, college.
When
The
see you with a
personally,
KFC.
but he no live a porous. That's I think he not even no
see.
porous. I said.
But then that needs to come
And
alive.
like that, me I say, Lovell, me never have know you have this in you.
First of all, this is money, I can't send this as in here, because I'm willing to start over. I don't believe in a divorce and this, I'm not cheat, so I don't know how we are talking about.
So, which bro man that say me figure that I love you and can't see you again?
People, Jason, with them on social media, people must have crush on me and something.
Then you forget you out there, you know. People must have crush on you. Nobody no have no crush on me. People have crush on you online, Lucy. Nobody no have a crush on me, so you have crush online.
Mind what you're doing in a lover because before someone steal you from
we still have no crush. Now accept none, but wait, see you again. Adi you really have to look.
And the point this man built up, well, willing to build a better house. That's a God. You don't know it's a smart, yeah.
You give me that, man, crush up this backside, yeah, man. I don't know what kind of... That person that will say me if you can't let you...
But yes,
that person that say me if you can't let you come. A foolish, you know.
Mommy and Charles, Adi.
Can't look how come give me there.
I don't say, Adi, Adi does have to look. Look at your mother, look at your mother. Look at your, because we don't trust him right now.
Mommy and Charles, Adi.
God no.
I didn't belong.
Oh, me what I want to take this thing to do. I don't know name Charles. I not even classmate. I have name Charles.
No, I know what going.
No, well, I found the names.
I just not record you.
Yeah, because of prank.
You just say.
That's why I have a record. No, well, really, so don't dig about one now. Oh, God.
Come here, come here, say.
Sure, no, Lovell. Hush, Lovell. I'll be typing today. Come here, say, no, I'm a cold food here. I'm type here. Type here, say, just see the reaction. But Lush catch on fast, as usual. Lovell, sit down and say, what Charles?
Jason, me not even think about that, Seb.
Oh, what you think she get catch?
When me get catch on, when you go say she.
She, yeah, man. Come, tell you, I couldn't find a way if you put it together. Come here, say she, me say he. When me say me have cold food, me have to go drop a prank. Sitting up in that pipeline.
No, but me I say, you say she, but when me read the letter now, me I say, me not think about this she.
I used to see a prank now. Yeah, mommy, you nearly get catch. Who named Charles? What's here?
You can't drink with Jason, because you're frightened.
No, man, I can't make catch so long though. No, she catch an instant.
No, because remember, you know, me go learn and me go send.
Remember, me know everything about you, so no must be can't tell you lie.
So me I say, probably me might know somebody.
If me didn't know me say black cute, because I never know so level never talk to her, bro. No, well. Adi, your mom panic. Look at her. Like Adi really has a movie. Yo. Me there out this so 20 minutes I dig down the car. I go for call Angel and say, baby, you know, so me plan on prank. And when me come, he prank about. Guess what? I put the letter in the car front seat. Me a drive and bag sitting and then sun coming on my face. Me drag down the thing there.
Yeah.
And it block my face. And when the sun, me come out of the sun and view me and everything. Me put up, me just take up back in something them, which is my license and registration. And put it on and put it up so. Lovell, me dig in a car, out I carry chunky bag. That's why me never know me out there.
No, because somebody always come here so.
Oh, yo,
so
me I say to myself, say, I wonder if I wonder, say, where is up
no,
there?
we think
brother, me I search on the whole car, can't find the letter. He ain't me go for I say, baby, come plan on prank and me come now. What can I sign this?
Me care, so me say how that I carry that shit so. So I want to, so me go this.
Me open, me close, me under seat.
It kind of look like a market like to me.
So you think at the yeah.
Boy, Adi, your mother get pranked. Yo, we're gonna post a video right now, people. Squad. I tell you.